US Mobile versus AT&T. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which carrier is better, so make sure to like and subscribe. Number 1 is their coverage and networks. AT&T run on its own nationwide network, offering broad 5G and LTE coverage, while US Mobile uses Verizon and T-Mobile networks, allowing you to choose based on your area. Both of them provide excellent coverage, but US Mobiles offers more flexibility. Number 2 is their plans and pricing. US Mobile offers custom plans starting at just $5 a month, while AT&T has more structured premium price plans beginning around $35 a month. US Mobile is great for budget-conscious users. Number 3 is their data speed and prioritization. AT&T customers often receive prioritized data, while US Mobile speeds are solid, but during congestion, users might experience deprioritization, especially on the T-Mobile network. Number 4 is their perks and add-ons. AT&T provides bundled perks like HBO Max with higher tier plans, while US Mobile offers customizable perks, including gaming, streaming, and shopping subscriptions. Number 5 is their customer service. US Mobile is known for fast, responsive live chat support, while AT&T has a broader support system but is often rated lower for responsiveness. So for final verdict, you can go with US Mobile if you want budget flexibility and customizable plans, and you can choose AT&T for premium service, strong prioritization, and bundled perks. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.